Lot S124 is a 1961 Pontiac Catalina convertible with a 389 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed transmission. And it's sold for $74,250 on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 87,318 miles. And the highlights are extensive restoration, special Mickey Thompson 389 cubic inch 425A block engine. Block has been ported, polished, and balanced. 1961 Pontiac tri-power carburation. Bellinger headers and dual exhaust system. Factory Borg-Warner T10 4-speed transmission. Hurst performance shifter. Pontiac 323 safety track rear axle. Power steering, power brakes, refinished in Bristol blue base coat clear coat. Bucket seat interior is redone in tritone blue. Restored convertible top has not been down. Chassis and engine are highly detailed. Restoration receipts and photos included. Shop manual, 2 extra keys, 11-inch clutch, restored factory steering wheel and dash, upgraded Pontiac stereo radio. Trim is polished and chrome is new. Trunk is restored properly. New Coker radial tires and factory 8-lug wheels. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.